Hi, happy YouTube family. I am popping on real quick just to share with you guys the latest addition to my Etsy shop. This is the first time that I actually make a snowman like this, and I'm totally loving it. I just love the way it came out. So I'm gonna show you really quick what he or she looks like. And the snowman comes with the little, or shall I say snow girl, snowman, I don't know, snow person. The snow person comes with a little candy cane that I made, or it could also come with the little cocoa cup. But yeah, this is what the snow person looks like. So cute. I gave him some little green little pants and added a little rickrack and some buttons there. This is the way he looks in the back, and I just love the way it came out. I actually really do. I thought I wasn't with all the stitch work, but I actually like the way it came out. And this was a YouTube excuse me, not YouTube, this was a Pinterest inspiration. So yeah, I may make another one. I'm not sure because I just love gingerbreads and I want to make a gnome for a friend. So yeah, I will be adding this little snow person to my Etsy shop as soon as I'm done uploading this video. So please hit that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment, a kind comment, and let me know, what do you think about the snow person? Isn't it cute? I find it so stinking cute.